Are governance and execution risks becoming harder to separate from the Philippine investment story, especially after controversies like the flood control scandal?
Well, unfortunately, governance is one of the criteria that foreign direct investments are looking into before they invest. The Luzon corridor is one of the targets of the many countries to put up a sort of a industrial complex, sort of a military industrial complex to be set up by the US. It's gonna really uh, produce this manufacturing hub for several support industries for the US expansion in Southeast Asia and in Asia as a whole because of the geopolitical rebalancing that is happening now. So very bright prospects for the Philippines, but we just need to correct our governance and improve the credibility of our institutions.